What's up everybody, I'm Arjun Partha and today we're going to be unboxing the Airfix Quick Build Volkswagen Beetle. And here we have the box for the Beetle, and first things first, very well designed graphic. Age is 5 and beyond, and this one being an Airfix Quick Build. There's no glue, no paint required, you just have to build it. At the bottom of the box we have a seal indicating that it's an officially licensed product from Volkswagen and Airfix. We have the price tag here, and this that just says Flying Hours 1, and if you know what that means, put it down in the comments. So on the back you have some general information about the Beetle. Here you have a diagram that just shows you how to put it together. Then you have this very nice looking print, no glue, no paint, just built and designed in the UK. So the first things you get when you open up the bag are the instructional manual with a very nice, very well designed cover page, the transparent parts with the stickers, and then there's the part for all the other bits. And one thing I'd like to draw your attention to is how the pieces are designed like Lego bricks, and considering I grew up on Lego, it actually seems extremely simple to assemble. Alright, so if you're building this along with me, there's actually a very slight rim here on the wheel, as you can see. So what you're gonna have to do there is you're gonna have to take your hubcap, which is the small gray piece, push it onto the blue piece here, and what you can do is you're gonna make this part, which is slightly indented, go and touch this part. So it's a very tight fit, this part, and when you hear a nice pop sound, you can just put it down. And there it is, the Beetle all put together. Overall a very lovely kit, and you may want to squeeze a bit to get the joints together like that, but you've got to admit that this is a lovely little kit. And remember, there's no glue or paint involved, it's just put together with blocks, and it's just really fantastic. So if you've got kids, grandkids, brothers or sisters who've seen you make models from Rebel or Airfix and want to get into it too, this is a great way to start them off. So a few things I have to say about the model itself is that when you're trying to fit the doors onto the chassis actually bends downwards, so that makes it a bit hard to fit on. And the stickers, especially the tail light stickers over here, are far bigger than they actually are, so it's a bit hard to take off. But overall it has a lovely glossy finish, and if you're paying a little over 500 rupees for a model that has wheels that move, it's really joyful to build, and it took me just over 5 minutes to build it. So if you've got youngsters who aren't ready for the complex paint and glue models, then this is a great kit, and it's also very good for gifting, like on an occasion like Diwali. This is a really good gift. And over here it just says 5 plus, but I'd say it's more like 7 to 8 plus because it's slightly more tricky to build, but it's a really fun kit for anyone over 7. So that puts the Airfix Quick Build Volkswagen Beetle at a solid 4.5 for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.